So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lakshay here. So today we are gonna start with our lead code question number 19, which is remove nth node from end of list. So what this question says, remove with nth node from end of list. So it says given the head of a linked list, remove the nth node from the end of the list and return its head. In this question we will given a linked list and a value of n, and we will have to remove the node from the back whose number is n, means its index. So let's take this example and discuss this problem more clearly. So our n equals to is 2 and we have given this list, so we have to delete n equals to 2, the number whose index will be 2, from the back. Okay, so how we can find it? We know that from back this is the first index, this is the second index, this is the third index, this is fourth, and this is fifth. So we have to delete this element, means our next of 3 should be pointing to this. Okay, cool. So how can we perform this? So let's see how we can perform this task. For this we will have to basically create two pointers, left and right pointer, and they both should be pointing to our head. Initially our head is this. Okay, so first of all, we'll create a loop and we'll traverse our right pointer to the list till we will reach n. Means for I equals to 0 till I is smaller than n, we will traverse our right. So our right first here, then for I equals to 0, our right moves to here. Then for I equals to 1, our right moves to here. Then for I equals to 2, we can see that now 2 is not smaller than n because n is also 2. So that's why our loop will iterate till here only. Now our right is pointing to here and our left is pointing to here. Now we will again start at our iteration till our right's next points to is not pointing to null. But this time our right pointer and our left pointer both will iterate one step. So when till our right is not equal to null, our right will move to here and our left will move to here. Okay, then again our right moves here and our left moves here. Now you can see our right's next is null, so our loop will stop here, and then our left's next will point to our left's next dot next, means its next will now point to next dot next dot, next dot next. Okay, so now it points to here and we will simply return our head. So this is the final list that we will get. So this is our list that we will get. Our head will be pointing to here and our left was here, that's why we have created like this, left's next will point to next, and hence this is our desired list that we want, and we will simply return our head from here and we will get our answer. So let's write down its pseudo code. First of all, create two pointers, left equals to head and right is also equals to head. Then for loop I equals to 0 till I is smaller than n. Our right will move to right's next. After that, what we will do? First of all, we will also check one thing. Yes, I forgot to check. We will also check if our right has reached null by this time. That means we have traversed a list full. That basically means that our n value is the size of our list. That means we have to delete the first element of our list. In this case, we have to delete the first element of our list. So we will declare a new variable temp at the head. Then our head will move to head dot next, and we will simply delete our temp and return our head. But if not that case, means we will the n value is smaller than the size of our list, then we will start traversing while right next is not equals to null, left will move to left dot next, and right will move to right dot next. So this is, after that we have traversed our, now our left pointer, we have to simply point our left dot next to left dot next and return our head. This will return our new updated list where we have deleted our the nth node element from the back. So let's discuss the time complexity. So what will be our time complexity? So we can see that at this loop it's running for big of n time, and similarly this also running for big of approx 1 in time. So what's our time complexity? So our time complexity will be big of n plus big of n, which will be big of 2n, which we can say that big O of n. Hence our time complexity is big O of n, and our space complexity is big O of 1, because we are not using any external space. We are just using that only parameters we have given, but no external space. So that's it. That's our question, and that's our pseudocode. So first you try yourself, and also I will attach the original code that you must write on the lead code below down here. So here is our full-fledged code which you can use in the lead code, which also tells you the same. Let first create a left pointer and right pointer, then we will use a for loop to traverse. Then we will check the condition that if its length is equals to this, means our right is pointing to null. Then we will again traverse our left and right pointer till our right's next will reach to null. Then again our left's next will point to left's dot next, which will basically remove our nth node from the back, and then we will return our head. So that's it. That's a question. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.